I am selfish, I acknowledge that, and trust me, it's a blessing in disguise for me. And in this video, I will let you know why you have to be selfish if you want to do something gigantic in your life, particularly for teenagers. You will make yourself too much available for someone, you will end up losing your own worth, your own skills, your own time, your own things. People are going to become a philosopher. They're gonna say that definitely money cannot buy the happiness. Can you ask them to lend some money to you? Let's start the video. Alright, so welcome to the one take video. Why do I say this one take? Because I'm not gonna cut any part of this video because I want to be very faithful, or I want to make a very faithful conversation with you all. So let's start the video. So in this video, whenever I am gonna use the word selfish, what does it mean? Well, there are two types of selfishness. One is called bad selfishness, when you are being jealousy of someone or something, and when you are taking the favor of any weak people or advantage of any coward people. So that's really bad. Don't do that. All right. But in this video, I am just going to focus into completely what about the good selfishness. When I say this good selfishness, what does it mean? Well, first of all, I would like to mention about paying yourself first. Why you have to pay yourself first? Because see, in this life, every people, all right, maybe what you want in your life, you have to snatch it. Of course, you deserve it or not deserve it. This is the other case study, but you have to snatch it. Nothing is free. You have to pay for everything. So in same way, you have to pay yourself first, and then you will be able to achieve or accomplish anything in your life. For that, believe in you and don't give anything for free to anyone. All right. Otherwise, your help will be taken for granted by the people, and no one is gonna pay attention or will be feeling thankful for that thing that you have given. All right. Second, time. As you know that nothing is precious than time. I mean, time is the only thing that decides, that is the factor which decides how your life will be going on. Whether are you gonna make your life or will you be destroyed. Like if you are gonna waste your time with so many things which are definitely worthless and which is not at all productive for you. So how you can be choosy for your time? See, to be honest, what happened is that for most of the times I'm getting call from my friends whom like I'm not in speaking terms and they need help. So what I say is that I'm being very honest because I never lie to anyone. So this is something that I love or admire myself. So I am being very, very honest to them, and I say that, man, I can't help you. And I don't want to help you here. Because after a long, you have called me, and why would I help you? So you have to be very straightforward. Because, time is something that, you have to be choosy. Otherwise, there is a saying called, if you will make yourself too much available for someone, you will end up losing your own worth, your own skills, your own time, your own things. So it's a loss of yours. So you have to be very cautious about this. All right. And particularly, those who are your friend, those who are your relatives, or maybe your girlfriend, boyfriend. What happens is that, we not tend to say, no to someone who are very close to us. But you have to say no. Otherwise, because what happened, friends are different. They have the different life. All right. And they might be having different goals. So you have to understand your own goal, and accordingly you have to schedule your events, your plans, your time and all the things, and you have to be very accountable, responsible with all those things. All right. Third, money. Well, when I say the money word, I have I know one phrase, one quotation which is very common, that money cannot buy the happiness. Is that really true? I don't think so. So what happened is that people are going to just become a philosopher. They're gonna say that definitely money cannot buy the happiness. Can you ask them to lend some money to you? All right. Please believe me, you will see that no in their eyes actually. All right. So money plays a very important and vital role in the life. It can give you the confidence. It can boost you. It gives you the freedom. It speeds up the things that you have in your life. It allows you to purchase the materialistic things, and you can make yourself productive. There are so many advantages of having money actually. All right. Of course, I know that it cannot buy the health. It cannot buy the love. Well, I don't know, but I until and unless I am acquainted with this money word, I have never read in the book, or I have never heard from any millionaires or billionaires that money doesn't matter. And that's the reason. Somehow I believe that money definitely matters. So don't waste your money in those kind of shitty things which are not productive at all. And the last but not the least, which is called decluttering. All right, what does it mean? Decluttering means to just understanding what is important for you. Like you might be having those people who are just like a friend, and they are just calling you when they need your help, or when they want to learn something from you. So they are mean people here. All right, so if you want to treat them, be mean, to be honest. All right, what you have to say, I can't help you, I can't just do this, and just let them away from your life. And why it is important? Because all those people who are just wasting your time, they will go away, and you will feel so awesome about the things that you have. So don't fear about anything. And I'm quite sure that you might be even alone, because I have gone through that phase. You might be even alone, but you have to be believing yourself, and there is no other thing that you could do. So these are the 4 things that you have to be adamant about the things. And believe me, be selfish, and until and unless you do not feel that you have to help that person for anything, so don't help anyone for free. Otherwise it will be always taken for granted. So I hope you have learned something new. If that's the case, please hit the like button and subscribe it, and follow my Instagram page, because there I'm uploading so many reels video. You will be so delighted to learn all those things. All right, so I'm gonna meet you in the other video. Until the time, be selfish and be productive. Bye bye.